Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
It is submitted that this court, in the case of Para 25, had referred to Rule 2A of the Valuation Rules 2006 and its purport by holding that the said rule goes on to say that the service component of the works contract is to include the 8 elements laid down in the second case and the value attributable to the service in the works contract would be the service elements in such contracts as this scheme alone would comply with the constitutional requirements as it seeks to bifurcate a composite indivisible works contract and takes care to see that no element is attributable to the property in goods transferred pursuant to such contract enters into the computation of the service tax. It is submitted that therefore the purport of Rule 2A of the valuation rules is only to bring the elements of service tax as that alone would meet the constitutional requirements and no elements attributable to the property in goods should enter in the computation of service tax. Stop. It is therefore the entire contention of the respondent assessee that they have a legal right to pay tax even on the goods portion as service tax and also take input credit on the duty paid on the goods is clearly contrary to Para 25 of the so far as the composition scheme is concerned. It is submitted that the assessee falling under the definition of works contract service has to discharge service tax liability either under Rule 2A of the valuation rules only on the service components without taking any credit on the input goods or go for the option of a composition scheme, in which case the rates of tax specified at various points of time should have been complied with on the total contract value. Stop. It is submitted that the invented method of the respondent assessee by seeking to pay service tax on entire contract value after taking the credit on the input goods is clearly unsustainable in law. Stop. The contention that Rule 2A is subject to Section 67, which according to the respondent assessee permits payment of tax on the contract value including the goods, runs counter to the scheme of works contract service. Stop. It is submitted that the what would constitute as goods under Article 366 within bracket 29A of the Constitution cannot be construed as a taxable service and as a value of taxable service. Stop. It is submitted the Finance Act 1994 read with the rules permit only two options, either to pay service tax on the service elements as envisaged under Rule 2A of the Valuation Rules 2006 without taking the credit on input goods or opt for composition. Stop. It is submitted that the third variant of paying service tax on the total contract value including goods and correspondingly availing credit on the input is not only misconceived but also legally untenable besides a constitutional bar. Stop. Now, so far as the reliance is placed upon the decision of this court in the group. Stop.